I'm so excited for you guys. So we're going to recognise our foundation students. So this is what you guys are going to do. You guys are going to stand up in a moment. You're going to spin around, and then we're going to take a bow. And the rest of the school, I'm going to congratulate you. I think we might even have 3 cheers for our foundations once they take the bow. So if we can do that right now, that would be lovely. So stand up really quiet. Spin around. Never work with animals and children? I've been getting told that for 30 years. There's something going on. I want you to turn around and face the back. We're going to give these wonderful, wonderful students who have finished the first year at Carrigballic College, Jameson Way of school 3 cheers. Hip hip! Let's do it with some arm actions as well, because it looks really good. Hip hip! And the last one, 2 arms. Hip hip! Big round of applause for these guys. So that was a happy. The sad, we're going to talk a little bit about later on, and it's when we say goodbye, it's sad, but it's exciting. We say goodbye to year 9s. And we'll talk more about our year 9s later, but I just want to say, year 9s, I've really enjoyed working with you. I came in last year and I worked with lots of you when you were in year 8, and you really have had an outstanding year. And I mean that from the bottom of my heart. And I'm hoping that wherever you go, you'll always remember Carrigballic College, you'll always remember your teachers and your friends, and you'll always remember our values. Take our values with you wherever you go, and things will be okay.